Hey Cocoa Bells, it's your girl nynalovee here, and I have in front of me the September Cocotique Beauty Box. Now the September theme is fall in love, and literally that's what I did. I know it sounds so cliche, but almost every product in the September box I see myself using, already started using, and I can't wait to use. So I'm going to give commentary on a few of the products in here, but for the most part, just sit back, look at what we got. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe so you can get your monthly box from Miss Cocotique and just get your life. So sit back and watch. Alright, so first up we have two products from the brand Plentiful. The first product is the Strength Deep Conditioning Treatment. The second is the Sulfate Free Co-Wash. Now I've never used this product or this brand before, either products or the brand before, but I am excited to use them during wash day. They are specifically for heat or color treated hair, so if you guys been following my journey, I've been like pretty much snipping away at all my heat damage, so I'm really excited to use these products. Next up, we have the ALKA-WHITE on-the-go mouthwash and toothpaste in one kit. Now I'm stupid excited to try this one because it comes with, I can't say the technical term for spit, but it comes with like a free spit pH testing kit. And I'm like a little bit of a science dork, so I was so lit about that. So either way it goes, I cannot wait to use this product. It's gonna definitely whiten teeth, all that good stuff. So I can't wait to use this one. We have the Freedom Naturals Calming Moisturizer. Now I busted this one open really quick because I am all into my face since I wear makeup, or you gotta keep that face hydrated. So the best thing I loved about this product is it does not make my face greasy at all. I have dry skin, so I definitely recommend it for anyone with dry skin. You don't have to worry about that overly greasy feel. You don't have to worry about your face still feeling dry after you use it. Definitely a good product. Here we have the Black Radiance Eye Appeal Shadow Collection Palette. I couldn't wait to get this one open, guys. That's why the label's a little messed up. But I will be recording a couple looks, probably just pictures since I'm still new at the whole eyeshadow thing. But I love that it's very pigmented, and it even came with a cute applicator brush, and that was really cute. So this is definitely a good pick from the Cocotique box. So I love it. So finally we have the TRILIPIDERM skincare sample box. I was the most excited about this box because it has like detailed instructions on how you should use all 5 of the skincare. It's like a little routine, and I love routines. I'm a Taurus, I'm sorry, but I'm really excited about this product. Cannot wait to use it. This was definitely probably, I want to say, my favorite out of the box, so I can't explain how excited I am to use this product. So yeah, it's dope. Alright guys, so that's it. I just showed you all the September Cocotique Beauty Box. Hashtag fall in love. Like I said, I fell in love with a lot of the products in the box. I didn't get a chance to comment on all of them because this video would have been extremely long, and we're not here for that. But I hope you guys get a chance to subscribe to my YouTube. Go ahead and follow Cocotique. Get subscribed to their beauty box so you can get these beautiful full size and sample size products and get your life, girl. Thanks for watching. Until the next one.